Looking for the best auto body shop in the Taylor, Texas Norman's Crossing area? If you are looking for an auto body shop in Taylor's Norman's Crossing area, you have been in an accident. Having an accident or collision is a very stressful experience, but one can easily get the damaged automobile back in a good condition if you find a good automobile repair shop to fix the damage in your vehicle. Look for someone who can offer you a complete range of services from brake repair to servicing, clutch repair. Get everything at a one-stop shop. Watch this auto body shop video in Norman's Crossing. These services are done locally but could be found online. Apart from correcting the visible damage, the companies also offer many other repair services. Once you select a service provider, the work is done and you get back on the road. Auto body service estimate in Taylor's Norman's Crossing. The service technicians survey the depth of damage occurred to your automobile and prepare an estimate of costs and required accessories. By making a 4 or 5 point assessment, the data is fed to the computer systems and a list is prepared with the estimate. Auto body service insurance. Traffic collisions can happen in the most abrupt situations, and if you get involved in one, you are bound to put out some money to repair the damages the incident caused to your vehicle. Repair costs may vary depending on the degree of damage to be dealt with. There are ways to get an accurate estimate of collision repair costs, especially if you can easily get in touch with your insurance company. Auto body service equipment. No matter what kind of repair services you need, a professional auto body shop can provide you with anything and everything and work on all the different makes and models. While Automobile Garage can always help you with exterior issues, they also have the expertise to deal with collision repair tasks. Auto body service mechanics. No one plans to get into automobile accident. It must be a priority to get the automobile repaired by an expert and trustworthy automobile mechanic. Make sure that the mechanics who offer accident repairs and automobile services can get your vehicle back on the road safely. Auto body service near my house. The place to start is at the most reliable automobile body repair shop near you. Auto body shops or collision repair shops are words almost synonymous to car damages, because it's the first place you go to after wrecking or damaging your car in an accident. However, auto body shops are more than this. Aside from fixing dents and scratches, there are other services that they can do. Car, truck, SUV parts. The automobile repair company would check the damage and working of vital parts of your vehicle. If any of it requires replacement, the parts and accessories are procured or ordered by the company itself. Certain firms give warranties on the replaced parts so that you can get the future problems fixed from the company without spending money. Getting the highest quality car painting. If your vehicle needs a new coat of paint due to accident repair, you can get it done by specialists who are highly experienced in restoring the vehicle to the highest standards. You need to check the credentials primarily. You need to get in touch with a dealer who cuts no corners, because you cannot bear any kind of shoddy work. Ask whether the garage offering automobile services includes preparation time and offers a quote for entire automobile respray. It takes at least 40 hours to do the task efficiently. Auto body shops can mean glass repairs too. You'll probably have to have your windshield replaced and other windows. Don't drive around with a cracked front windshield. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.